Hello, I'm Kristine Stratton, President and CEO of NRPA. We are only a couple weeks away from the 1-year anniversary of the World Health Organization declaring COVID-19 a pandemic. This time last year, we were starting to analyze the impacts this virus might have on parks and recreation. A year later, we're living with the stark reality of more than 500,000 lives lost to COVID-19 in the US alone. We do have hope brought on by vaccines, reduction in cases, and warmer weather on the horizon. However, this doesn't eliminate the mental health burdens I know many of us are facing. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, 4 in 10 US adults have reported symptoms of anxiety or depressive disorder, up from 1 in 10 adults pre-pandemic. The foundation also reports that many adults are experiencing negative impacts to their mental health and well-being through difficulty sleeping or eating, increases in alcohol consumption and substance use, as well as worsening chronic conditions. Our bodies aren't used to such prolonged periods of chronic stress, and the extenuating circumstances of a pandemic, such as not being able to visit with friends and family, worries over economic pressures, and the changes to our day-to-day lives all add up. I want to recognize this because if you are feeling this way, you are not alone. And while there isn't a magic solution, I hope you can acknowledge that you have made it through this past year. Even if you don't feel like your best self, you are doing so much for your communities, your coworkers, your families, and more. And I hope you can take some time to do something for yourself as well. One way you might celebrate what you and your agency have done is by applying for an NRPA Innovation Award, or by nominating a colleague for an NRPA Spotlight Award. I know this might feel like one more thing on your to-do list, and if it's something you need to say no to right now, that's okay. However, applying for an award can help you acknowledge and name the specific things you've accomplished over the past year. And if you don't win, you still have a great record of work to share with your colleagues and with stakeholders in your community. You can also apply for one of our scholarships or fellowships and invest in yourself this coming year. Finally, I wanted to share a quick update as we continue to live into our strategic plan. First and foremost, centering equity in all we do. Last week, Tom Farrey from the Aspen Institute's Project Play and I penned an op-ed that was published in The Hill. I encourage you to read about our vision for the future of youth sports and the importance of centering equity in our COVID-19 recovery efforts. I'll say it again, we've been at this for nearly a year. Yes, we've adapted, grown, and learned that we can do more than we thought possible. And it's been really hard. Please take time today to acknowledge what you've done and appreciate yourself as you are right now. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and be well.